Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Polarized Fractal Efficiency Indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll look at how this oscillator plots in the sub-window, what its readings imply, and what settings it provides. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the Polarized Fractal Efficiency PFE indicator plots as a line oscillator in a sub-window, typically ranging around the zero line. It measures how efficiently price is traveling, comparing the straight line distance of price movements to the total path traveled. When the PFE is well above zero, it implies price is moving very efficiently in the upward direction. When it is well below, it implies highly efficient downward movement, suggesting a strong downtrend. Readings near zero imply price is moving efficiently, making back and forth movements typical of a ranging or choppy market. As for the settings, period controls the look back window for the efficiency calculation. All color settings adjust the oscillator line color for positive and negative readings. As for who is for, the PFE indicators use trend efficiency analysts and traders who use it to distinguish trending from ranging conditions on MT4. It is an analytical tool only, it does not execute trades. High efficiency readings don't guarantee trend continuation, sudden reversals can occur. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.